Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Facial expressions made very simple, a very basic approach to this. All you're going to need is a pen and a paper for this. That's the materials that you're going to be using, okay? So, the first thing you're doing is to be able to create a template for your face, and it could be any kind of a face. I chose this particular one, but it could be a round face or a square face or a simple, uh, a smiley face circle. It doesn't matter. What we're talking about here, guys, friends, is to think of the basic uh, approach to this, okay? So all you're going to be worried about is the shape of the mouth, the angles, and the angles of the eyebrows. So here we have a simple happy face, and if you look at the eyebrows and the tilt of the mouth, that's what creates the whole expression, okay? So here's the second one I'm creating, and this could be something like laughter. So let's say if you're going to be a laughter, the eyes are a little bit tinier, the eyebrows are the same, but the mouth is a little bit wider, it's open wider, okay? So this will give you the simple laughter expression. So the idea is for you to practice all this very quickly, make it very fast, and understand this, okay? So this is not really, it's a practice of understanding, it's a mental exercise, it's like a brain muscle, So here we can see a face that's sort of satisfied, I would say, right? So you have a happy face, a laughter, and everything has to do with simply a slight tilt of the mouth and the angle of the eyebrows. Very simple, okay? So here we have the eyebrows going downward like this. It's going to create as you can see, and then a few lines here and there, right? And just the angles and the tilt of the mouth, the tilt of the eyes will give you that angry look. All right, so this is the practice that I'm going to stress up here, is for you to make all this very quickly, fast, and think about the angles. And the nose is always, it remains the same, Here you can see a face that's a little bit disgusted. So once again, simply by showing the angle of the mouth, the tilt of the eyebrows. So that's my focus, very basic, okay? And we have the basic template, and this can be anything. Once again, you need to make it consistent. So you see that the character is the same. And you could choose any of those templates. And here you can see that the guy is a little bit scared, or fearful. All right, so very good. It's simply the tilt, the eyebrows going downward, going upward, going in an angle. That's all it takes for you to create that expression, okay? So that's what I want to focus up here, friends, for you to be able to just simply do this quickly, do it as a doodle practice, and etch it into your brain, that you can make these subtle changes of expression just from using the eyebrows and the mouth, the tilt of the mouth, okay? So that's all it takes for you to be able to come up with this. So I hope you enjoyed this. Once again, you can take one of these and then expand on it and make a realistic face, which I'm going to demonstrate in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to be putting up a lot more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.